So Jo sent me out in the cold to build a gate, and she also wants me to film it. That's the rough shape for my gate. Now all I have to do is cut it into size. I've got 4 pieces I'm going to cut out to start with. I've got the first piece marked here, and I'm going to cut it with a power saw. Then I'm going to cut the notch in the ends here on all of them, then lap them in so they fit flush. Down here I've got my ends cut. Now I just need to glue and screw. I've made the frame, now I need to put in a diagonal piece to stop the frame from dropping. Today I've got to put the hinges on, mount the gate and then put the palings on. I'm going to measure the centre of my beam here. I'll put the hinge in the centre, pre-drill my holes, then bolt it on. Now it'll be out with the old and in with the new.
So what is Mike up to today? Here we go. Here he is, out in the cold.
Building my gate.
Oh, he's got a gate.
I got a frame.
Oh, that looks quite good. It's a bit see-through though, isn't it?
Yeah, well it's a new style.
But it'll stop, well, it'll basically stop nobody coming in.
And I've got to put some paling on.
So Mike's almost finished the gate, but he was a bit short on his little paling, so we've got to go get another paling.
I forgot that 300 plus 1,000 is 1,300, and the gate was 1,400 wide, so I need another one.
We need Barry again. Anyway, so what we're going to do, he's going to do while we're waiting, he's going to put a little handle thing on here, just to open the gate.
So, I've got to drill a hole, which will go through there.
So Mike's putting this latch on now, and his bolt doesn't fit for some reason. He's drilled this really big hole with this really big drill, and he reckons it's not fitting. It's a bit tight.
You won't be able to turn it though. That's too tight.
You don't think it'll loosen up?
No, it's not.
So Mike's doing a wiggly bit there to try and make the hole a bit bigger. I don't know if that's an actual technique, but it's what he's doing. Oh, look at that, smoothing smoothly now. So what are we doing today, Mike?
We're going to...
Let's get our painting gear on.
Huh?
I love it how that works.
Ah,
Paint, we need paint.